Hi everyone, this is Ashley McKelvey with CTandRina Digitals. I am going to show you a tutorial today on how to use the True Grays and Whites action. Okay, I already have it loaded here. Let's just click on it, press play. And it's going to tell you to use a soft white brush to brush onto your gray layer and to adjust the opacity if needed. Go ahead and press stop. So, change this real quick. I have it set on here to be able to just paint on the gray layer with a white brush. So if you wanted to do that, like it tells you to, you could, which would look a little something like that. You could paint on the background, but I am wanting most of the photo. I'm wanting the action to play on most of the photo, so I'm actually going to brush it off of the subject instead of brushing it on to the background. So I'm going to undo that. So in order to do that, you just click the layer mask and then press Control-I to invert the layer mask. And then I'm going to use a black brush to brush it off of them or my subject. I'm just going to zoom in a little to be a little more precise. Change the size of my brush, make sure it's at 100% opacity, and you can zoom in as much as you want to kind of perfect it, but I'm going to go a little bit faster here so the video isn't so long. And I'm wanting, I'm wanting his shirt to be more white. I'm wanting the background to be a true gray. I am wanting the wrap to be more of a true gray, so I'm basically just brushing it off of their skin for this photo. And my white balance is pretty accurate in camera, but I added a little bit of warmth to this just in case you shoot a little bit warmer or shoot a little bit cooler. This action just basically gives you truer black and whites, or grays and whites, I'm sorry. I use it for both my grays and my whites, which there's a different tutorial that I did using my frequency action and also my grays and whites action on my YouTube channel. Oh, I'm not wanting to do that, sorry. A little bit bigger. And this isn't, like, it doesn't make the background completely gray or black and white. It does leave a little bit of color. Okay, let's see. And I think that alone looks way better. See, it basically just, if you just watch the background, it took so much color out of there and it's much more of a true gray. His shirt is much more of a true white now, and that looks good to me. Flatten. And that's it.